What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're just doing a little test drive, and I pulled in this parking lot to do a walk around. I'm going to point out any kind of flaws around this car. That way you know what you're getting before you get here. You can check our website out. That's maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, and we update all of our inventory every week. So just check with us on Mondays. You see probably about 10 to 15 new cars weekly. This is one of them. Been doing the test drive video. It runs, it drives awesome. I definitely want you to check that video out for sure. This is going to be a 68 Camaro with a believed to be 350 under the hood. Does have power steering, but it is not working. Fluid's full, everything's good, but it's nice and tight when you turn. Does have drum brakes all the way around. And we're gonna get up close and personal, look for scratches, chips, flaws, and give you some undercarriage shots. That's why I opened the trunk and the hood. I'm gonna be throwing the camera around everywhere. My website offers financing and shipping as well. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Front bumper on this one's in pretty good condition. It's got some little bug splats on it. The grill's got some chips popping up on it. And of course around the front end, a little hazy on the stripes. Like somebody rubbed a little too hard there. Nice set of Riddler wheels with good tires. Chip on the fender here. Looking at the bottom of the doors for any kind of rust bubble spots. There's a chip in the jamb. Chip in the door there. On top of the door. Trim's in good shape. Roof looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and run down this. Got some bubbles popping up back here on the passenger side in front of the rear tire. A light scratch on the fender there. It's coming through this area. A chip right here. Just scratch up here on the back. In the jam. Looks like new weather stripping in the jam though. We're almost there. Package tray's a little bit faded there. Tail lights got some pitting in them. Bumper in the rear looks new and clean. Somebody's changed that gas cap out too. Looking in the trunk, there is some moisture. It could be coming from the back window. Evidence be looking at the fenders. But I don't see it coming down the fenders or anything. Could be coming from the middle of the package tray. Let's look at it. It's got a little bit of surface rust on it. I don't see anything major. But I do see moisture in here. I didn't clean any of that out. I just opened it up to show it to you. We're going to clean it out when we get back to the lot though to prevent anything. Got some paint runs back here. The wing's got a little bit of a crack in it. Right there as well. It shuts easy. Light scratches on those black stripes. Paint is not in perfect shape. I'm sure you could tell that since the start. All right, let's run down this side. Got some bubbles popping up back here. Real small stuff. Doesn't look like anything major. Same with this side. There's a line there. Almost like that's been replaced at one time. But it's still got some rust bubbles popping up. There's a bubble right here in the middle of the door on the driver's side. Trim's got a ding in it right here. We're gonna be dropping the hood down here shortly. I'm gonna go inside first, start it up. Check that motor out. Let's get it. Door jamb looks pretty good. The handle there's got some rips. Underneath this door jamb, you got nice weather stripping. Check the underside of the door. The jamb all looks pretty good. Carpet, not in bad shape, not new, not in bad shape. The seat looks great. Up in the very corner here, you got a little bit of a rip. Back seat, let me get my stuff out of the way. Looks pretty good. Headliner is in great shape for the age. Go ahead, place your bets. A little game we like to play. Do you think this horn works? Hurst shifter, little cup holder there. The dash is in good shape. It's not all cracked up. I'm not gonna touch the gas, see if we can start her. Starts up easy, nice and warm, good oil pressure. I think it's at 30. Temp gauge is not hooked up, it's not working. Neither is the battery gauge. Radio does work. Blower motor, couldn't get it to do nothing. Wipers though, oh wait, that's lights, I'm turning them. They work. If you want a list of lights, turn signals, all that stuff, you can request it. Turn signals are popping up on the dash there. Gas gauge is coming up and the speedometer works. To show you the miles. And let's try that horn. Y'all place your bets. It works. Doesn't sound too bad. Hood lines up pretty good. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, along with that financing and shipping information, so definitely go there and check that out. Let's look up under this car. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I try to post videos every day. Sometimes I get ahead of myself and knock everything out in 2 or 3 days, but it is over a week worth of videos. So hopefully you can sit down and watch all of them. All of our new inventory comes in every week on Monday, so check with us on Mondays at maplemotors.com. You'll get to see all the new cars first before I start making videos of them. I appreciate y'all watching. Be looking for the test drive on this one. I'll link it up at the end of this video. Y'all have a good one.